Hello children, here is new chapter that is from Raindrop English. Clap, clap, clap. So let's start. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. Hop, hop, hop. Stop, stop, stop. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Clap, clap, clap. Stop, stop, stop. Here is a boy, and the boy is doing jump, jump, jump. And she is doing run, run, run. Frog. The frog is doing hop, hop, hop. And here is one more girl, and the girl is doing clap, clap, clap with her hands, and also doing tap, tap, tap with her legs. So let's do one more time. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. Hop, hop, hop. Stop, stop, stop. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Clap, clap, clap. Stop, stop, stop. So this was Class 1 English Raindrop NCERT. Thank you.